How to redeem iTunes gift card on Android. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, what you have to do is download an Apple Music application in your device. To do so, head over to your Play Store and then search for Apple Music. To know if this app is genuine or not, you have to see the distributor or the producer of this app. As it says Apple, this one is the genuine or true application. Simply open it, log into your Apple Music account, and then once you are inside the account, you just have to tap on here over here, and if you have logged in, here will occur an option called account. Simply tap on that and you will now see the option to redeem gift card or code. Simply tap on it and you will be able to redeem iTunes gift card on Android. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.